and our project is based on Biodiesel Stirling Engine. Our research tackles one of the biggest challenges of our time, the global energy crisis. With rising pollution and limited fossil fuels, we need sustainable solutions fast. That's why our work focuses on biodiesel as a clean replacement fuel. To begin our discussion on this content, I would like to start with the introduction. The Stirling engine is an external combustion engine that converts heat energy into mechanical power through various processes. And it can also operate on any heat source, making it more versatile and more adaptable. But it also uses biodiesel as the fuel, so it becomes more cost-friendly and more environmental friendly.
As we all know, fossil fuels are non-renewable resources and it takes millions of years to form. And burning fossil fuels produces CO2, which is harmful for our climate. And to tackle this problem, we should use alternate energy resources like biofuel to generate energy.
A Stirling engine is an external combustion engine, which means that the combustion will happen outside the cylinder. A biodiesel burner will heat up the gas inside the cylinder, leading it to expand, driving the process.
Now let us look some of the most important components. So first is the heater head, which is also known as biodiesel burner. The main part, because it heats up the gas which is present in the cylinder. The second one, the regenerator. The main function happens here because this heat exchanger placed between the hot and cold sections absorbs the heat from the hot gas and separates it, which causes a movement in the piston, which is forward and backward. Then the third part is cooler, which extracts the hot gas and makes it cool, and when it cools down, the piston moves forward. And the piston system is placed because we can cause the movement in machinery. So this cyclic manner moves on till we stop the process.
So now we have advantages of using biodiesel. It has many advantages, like it is very sustainable, economic benefits and technical benefits. It produces low emissions, it is also produced locally, so that helps a lot.
The comparison between biodiesel and CNG is done because our future plan is to put a Stirling engine based on biodiesel in a car so we can run it efficiently and sustainably. The comparison is because the fuel source is 100% renewable because it uses plant-based. Power output is consistent and smooth. Also, it is very efficient. It also has near zero emissions compared to CNG. It is a very low cost in maintenance and the fuel is very cheap and accessible.
So now we have the conclusion. In conclusion, I would just like to say that the Stirling engine powered by a biodiesel is a highly practical and environmental friendly alternative to traditional fossil fuels. I would also like to say that choosing biodiesel is not just a smart energy decision, it is a step towards a cleaner, leaner and a more responsible future.
We had many alternatives rather than using biofuel, but we chose to use biofuel because it also helps our government and our poor farmers, because it helps our government and overall India, because we renew the waste and also we are taking the waste of materials and crops from farmers, which also helps in reducing the pollution.
The cost of a project would be anywhere from 25,000 to 30,000 if we use in-house manufacturing, and 30,000 to 35,000 if we outsource the CNC process.